Does knowledge of biology basics help with rare disease research? In today's fast-paced world of science, the question on many minds is whether understanding the basics of biology aids in rare disease research. Just yesterday, researchers reported exciting findings that highlight the importance of this knowledge. As more people seek answers about rare diseases, it is essential to connect the dots between biology and research breakthroughs. Rare diseases often stem from genetic or cellular issues. A solid grasp of how genes and proteins function is vital for identifying what goes wrong in these conditions. For instance, studies on genetic forms of motor neuron disease reveal how mutations in specific genes impact nerve cells. The superoxide dismutase 1 protein, known as SOD1, typically protects neurons by removing harmful toxins. When the SOD1 gene mutates, this protective function fails, leading to cell damage. Similarly, the TAR DNA binding protein, produced by the TARDP gene, regulates gene activity in the cell nucleus. Mutations in this gene cause the protein to mislocalize, forming toxic clumps that disrupt essential cell processes. Understanding these biological functions is key to diagnosing and predicting disease progression. Recent advancements in gene editing technologies, such as clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, also heavily depend on biological knowledge. This programmable system targets specific gene sequences to correct mutations causing rare diseases. Researchers must understand molecular biology to design precise RNA guides that direct the editing machinery effectively. This knowledge is critical for improving the safety and efficiency of gene therapies for rare pediatric diseases. It also helps streamline regulatory approval processes, making new treatments available faster. Furthermore, studying cellular mechanisms in aging and rare progeroid syndromes offers insights into how cellular pathways influence disease resilience. Research using induced pluripotent stem cells from centenarians helps scientists observe how cells behave differently in exceptional longevity cases. This work relies on a solid understanding of cell biology and genetics. The challenge of diagnosing rare diseases from whole genome sequencing data involves identifying which of millions of genetic variants are responsible for a patient's condition. This task requires a foundation in genetics and molecular biology to interpret the functional impact of variants and connect them to clinical symptoms. In essence, knowledge of biology basics, including anatomy, cellular function, genetics, and molecular biology, is fundamental to rare disease research. It enables scientists to grasp disease mechanisms, develop gene-based treatments, interpret complex genomic data, and improve diagnosis and therapy for these conditions.